Hello guys, today we will see how to fix Windows Update error code in Windows 11 as well as Windows 10. As such type of a screen will appear and Windows Update failed message we will see. And the first workaround is start Windows Update services. For this, go to Windows search, type services and services app will appear as waste match. Click on it to open services windows in Windows 11. This method will also apply in Windows 10. In services windows, you will navigate the option Windows Update. Simply right click on it and choose the option Start. If you will not find the Start option, it means your Windows Update services is already in start mode. So click on Start to start Windows Update services. Windows Update services will start now. Thereafter, double click on Windows Update services and in new Windows Update properties windows, go to startup type section and choose automatic startup type. It will, and again click on start if it not. Thereafter choose apply and then OK button. The second workaround is apply Windows Update Troubleshoot. To open Windows Update Troubleshoot in Windows 11 and 10, go to Windows Settings and under System sections you will find the option Troubleshoot. Windows Troubleshoot will automatically fix your issues. Click on it and thereafter next screen click on Other Troubleshooters. Here you will find the option Windows Update. Windows Update, you should click on Run option to execute the Windows Update Troubleshooter command. Simply click on Run and Windows will now try detecting problems and resolve them accordingly. This is the base tool of Windows system. Troubleshoot will resolve your issue at first instance for any problems. And the third workaround is run system scan. For this, go to Windows search, type cmd and open command prompt as administrator mode. Click on yes to give confirmation and in black screen window you should type sfc space / scan now and press enter. Windows will now scan your complete system and find out the issues related to corrupted file system and it will repair them accordingly. It will scan your complete system and it is a very useful tool for any Windows system. And the next workaround is temporarily disable Windows Defender. You should temporarily disable, not permanent. Go to Start, type Control Panel, open Control Panel and here find out the option Windows Defender Firewall. This is the security layer of your computer inbuilt. Here you will see option private networks as well public networks. From the left side, choose turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off. Click on it and here turn the toggle button off to disable Windows Defender Firewall under private network as well as public network. You should disable both the options temporarily and check your issue will resolve definitely. That's all.